Hello, this is recipe for Korea fried chicken. Let's start. Just cut chicken into bite size, the boneless chicken, and I will marinate chicken this soy sauce and finely grind pepper. Also salt is okay, and mix it thoroughly. And I will prepare its batter mix. I will prepare two kinds of batter mix. One is just sticky mix and powder mix, and just prepare about 3 spoons of flour. And I will add here a lot of spices, but if I add lemon soup seasonings and curry seasoning, that would be many kind of that is same effect spice mix. I recommend soup mix and curry mix. Also, it has sodiums and sugar, good for taste. Yeah, I add some finely ground peppers and separate it to bowl. And first one add some waters, and last one let it dry and mix it thoroughly. And I will make a sticky, little bit watery dough. Not dough, it is kind of batter. Batter for frying. It is thick as rice porridge and like some soup, just like that. And put all the marinated chicken in the batter mix and just mix it all together. And half of chicken, I will bring it the dry batter mix. And just spread all the powders on the chicken. And I will make two kind of fried chicken. The chicken in sticky dough is old-fashioned one, and with dry batter mix is the modern style chicken. And by heat the oils about 117 or 18. But if you don't have a thermometer, just put a little bit of batter mix and it floating on oils, and while frying it will be done. And I will cook it chicken about 2 or 3 minutes and just take it back from the oil and resting, and heat it all again about 117 or 18, and put a chicken with dried batter mix. Just don't shake it by chopstick, just don't stick on the bottom of pot. Meanwhile, cooking at frying at home, we don't have frying machines, or we can use so much oils for frying, so just limited amount of oil. So we have to keep stirring the oil part and make it frying all the face of chicken. So we have to keep stirring the pot. And about 2 or 3 minutes later, pick it back and put a roasted chicken again, and it makes more crispy texture on refried chicken. So every chicken franchise use these skills, the double frying techniques, the double frying. Just keep stir the frying pan again. And now I will show you the essential part of Korea fried chicken. Put some spoons of pepper paste and garlic, a spoon of garlic and ginger. And just keep seasoning the garlic and pepper paste in a little bit of oils, and I like mustard just so I put some little bit of mustard. It's not essential. So, and I add some pepper flake in here, just a little bit. And some corn syrups in here for its stickiness and creaminess. Just keep boiling all the ingredients in the pot. Also, sugar is essential. Just about half spoons of sugars. And just really good soy sauce, not that salty. If it is too sweet, I will add some more soy sauce here. And just keep simmering in low heat because it has a lot of sugars and sweetness. I don't want to stick in this pan here. And mix it together in low heat. And if it is too sticky, add a little bit of water. And just tasting the sauce now. So it was too sweet. Okay. Maybe I add some soy sauce then. Then I also add some soy sauce. And after it mixed well and tasted, it is easy. It was too sweet, so I add some soy sauce, and I want some more tasty. So I add more pepper paste and chili oils. It was too sticky. I add more water. And it has and finally it has a very nice thickness and sweetness and a little bit of spicy. Add all the fried chicken into the pot and just cover all the sauce in every piece of fried chicken. This is so essential. Just cover all the crispy skins of fried chicken and with sticky sweet sauce. This is really makes fried chicken very nice, spectacular. In Korea, most of the franchise has some toppings, mostly sesames or crusted peanut and scallions, anything else, anything something crispy and nutty somethings. So it is done, so fantastic. So I can take it with beer. Beers are so essential, just clear extra cold lagers are best. So let's enjoy this fantastic fried chicken. I guarantee this recipe is so tasty and spectacular. Thanks for watching this video and hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.